Knowing when to harvest your crop is important so you can get the maximum potential that the crop has for you. These are our potatoes. Potatoes typically, from the time you plant, 10 weeks past that is a safe time to harvest. But in order to maximize your crop, you want to wait for a couple of key things to occur. One is the flowers form on your potatoes, and then secondly, after the flowers form, that's an indication that the tubers have been developed under the soil level. Another tail sign is the lower portions of the plant begin to yellow, discolor, and dry and die on the way up. Now, it's important to know how long your variety in which you've planted should take, whether it's 60, 90, 110, 135 days. That way you have an indication of knowing it's only 87 days in, the plant's dying, and this should be a variety that takes 135 days. Then you know that there is some disease or issue with the plant and you can diagnose it that way for future crops. So knowing when to harvest your potatoes, you can harvest them young when they're baby potatoes, or you can wait until they get their maximum potential so you can get the most out of the crop that you're growing.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.